Snacking should be legendary, and this Taiwanese popcorn chicken never disappoints. Listen to this crunch. Enjoy this epic snack at home without even changing out of your comfies. We'll start with boneless chicken thighs. I'm using skinless just for convenience, but you can also do skin on for extra crispiness and flavor. Slice them into about 1-inch pieces, then marinate for at least 30 minutes up to overnight, but keep it cold in the fridge until you're ready to dredge and fry. That cold battered chicken hitting that hot oil creates super crispy chicken. In the meantime, let's mix together the seasoning, starting with the Szechuan peppercorns for that tingling, numbing effect. Dry toast the Szechuan peppercorns to amplify its flavor, then ground it up in a mortar and pestle or a coffee grinder. Combine it with salt, garlic powder, white pepper, 5-spice, and a bit of sugar. Then mix it together with a baby whisk because it makes everything taste better. For the dredge, we're using potato starch because it makes the chicken so crispy. Drizzle a few tablespoons of water and use your fingers to create these little craggly bits. That's what gets crazy crispy when they're fried. Drop a few pieces of chicken into the dredge. Scrunch it on so it really sticks, then shake off any excess. Look at all those craggly bits. That's that good stuff. Let the chicken hang out for about 10 minutes to absorb some of that potato starch instead of flaking off while it's frying. Drop the chicken into the oil, working in batches so the pot doesn't overcrowd. If there's too much chicken, the temperature will drop and the chicken won't be crispy, which is sadness. So don't let sadness happen. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're golden brown and beautiful, just like you. Let them rest on a wire rack or a paper towel lined plate for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I know it's tempting to skip this part, but your juicy chicken depends on it. This gives the chicken extra time to redistribute all those juices and bring the excess moisture to the surface. You can also make this ahead of time and do the second fry right before serving. So add the chicken back in, cook for about a minute or until there's small oil bubbles instead of large threatening ones. This second fry is what keeps your chicken crispy for hours. Turn off the heat and fry your basil, but make sure your basil is thoroughly dry. Otherwise,
a few moments later.
Yeah, so be careful, homie. Thoroughly dry, then quickly cover. Stay safe out there. Once the basil stops popping, remove it, then drain. Season your chicken while it's still hot, then toss in the basil leaves. Look how crispy these came out, and listen to this crunch. Which boba drink would you enjoy these Taiwanese popcorn chicken with? Let me know in the comments. The full recipe is in the description. If you want the air fryer version to avoid all the scary frying oil, check out this next video.